Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. Hope everybody is doing well today. None other, I am here to give y'all a very springy summertime makeup look. We are almost approaching summer. I will be so the look is going to be using the Perfusion Lovestruck palette. We're going to take this inferior and beyond. None other. For anybody who don't know, I am a big purple fan. So yeah. So the first color, we already got all of my eyeshadow base down. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this beauty right here, this beautiful soft colored brown, and we're going to go on and put that in the crease and thing and stuff. But I hope everybody is enjoying, and let me just say enjoying their hope they enjoyed their week. We're almost close to spring, so we're just going to take this color right here, and it's very sort of like a peachy brown color, very peachy, and we're just going to take this on the inner crease, and we're just going to just move that back and forth. Same over here and stuff. So we're just going to do that, and we're going to take this brush right here, and just in case we need to add more, we can, and blend that out. We're just going to blend that out, and it looks like we're going to have to add a little more right up in here. In things, so we're just going to blend that out and then bring it down in things, so we're just going to blend that out. So I'm just going to pull this particular palette in just to use the mirror up in there because it has a mirror. And things over that. Okay. So the next color we're going to use, we're just going to tap it in, you know, tap, and we're just going to bring in this like peachy color right here, and we're just going to tap that in and blend out. We're going to tap it in and blend it out. So I wanted to, so we're going to start it here, tap it, and we're just going to do a tapping motion and just blend that out right up in here. I am liking how it's turning out. We're going to tap it again. Start in here and just carry it over into the crease a bit. And the next thing is we're just going to take this brush and we're just going to get it real blend out real good. Okay. And so we're going to take this brush right here, and we're going to set you right here. And the next color we're going to use is we're going to use this color right here. It's very bright, but we're just going to tap that in as well and stuff, so y'all can see what I'm doing. And we're just going to tap it and tap it right in here. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. We're just doing a tapping motion. Okay. Then we're going to take this brush right here, and we're just going to take this in. We're almost through, and look at that beautiful how it looks. And we're just going to take that because I like how it looks. And we're just going to take this one color called Bundless in this Sage Rouge palette. And that's this color right here. We're going to use that. That's the color we're going to use on the lid. And we're just going to just it's turning out very pigmented and thin. And then we're going to take it and we're just going to blend that into that. I love it already. And so what we're going to do at the end, we're going to add this color right here. And that color is called Mojave. And we're just going to add that. And we're just going to add this right up in here. But it's called Mojave. And what we're just adding it right in here. And you're just going to do this like beautiful. You see this way I'm doing my doing this? We're just going to add this like ornate color into this crease right here. And I love how it's turning out. I love, and you're just going to do the same thing. And then we're just going to clean that up a bit. Turned out very beautiful. So what we're going to do for the highlights, and I'll make sure to, for the highlight, we're going to take this color. Let me find it, because I have to do this. And it's called Protection. I'll put the name. But it's this beautiful color right here. That's what we're using in the brow bone color. And we're just going to use that in the brow. And so we're just going to bring that right up in here. And what we're going to do before we finish this off is we're like going to go in like this. All right, and I love it. So we are through with the palette. So the next thing is we're going to take this brush and we're going to take this powder right here by Revlon, Cappuccino. And we're just going to do this. Okay. So that is that. So the next one we're going to do, we're going to take this, and I'm just, because I don't have a highlight, we're going to take one of these eyeshadows and turn them into a highlight. And we're just going to take the highlight right up in here. We're going to take this beautiful, like, goldy highlight right here. And we're just going to do it right up in here. I hope y'all can see that. If can't, that is the color. It's very pigmented. So I'm just going to do it this way. So then I'm just going to take this brush right here. Okay. So we're just going to take this brush and we're just going to blend that out a little bit. Make sure everything is blend. So the next one we're going to take is this brush. And we're going to take this colored, well, not that. We're going to take this Wet n Wild Pearlescent pink blush. And what is? Okay, but we're also going to take this Black Radiance blush, and we're just going to tap it or swirl it and tap just to get it much. And then we're going to take this and blend that out. Okay. And where is it? We're not going to use that today. We're just going to go on and put on your brow gel and oh Lord, I need to get a new brow gel, and we're just going to follow. Okay, let it. Oh, hold on. see. Okay, it's got a little bit. We're gonna take a little bit of the paper towel and wipe it a little. Okay, gonna wipe it a little. So while we let that sit for a little bit, we're gonna let that sit. And this is the brow gel. We're going to go on and do the lip. And what I am going to use, I can find it, y'all, is this beautiful lipstick I always use. Here it is. We're going to use 671, and it's called Mink, and it's a cream finish. All right, now we're going to go in with this and finish it off. And that is it. I hope everybody enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I like it. It's something different. It's something different than I usually do. But I hope everybody enjoyed it. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.